started.
Okay, today we gotta make pasta familia. The easiest pasta dish where you don't have to think. All ingredients is pre-made. We got the spaghetti, fettuccine, or whatever it's called there. We got 2 boxes of that also there. We got bacon already pre-cut here and here. Then we got some mushrooms. My God, what a dirty knife. Then we got some mushroom. And we got some ketchup. And we actually gonna use almost the whole of this ketchup, believe it or not. Then we got some chili flakes here for spicing it up. Then we got 2 different kinds of cream here. This is what you call food cream. We call it madlavningsfløde. It's a little lighter on the fat. It's 18%. And even to lighten it up a little bit more, then we got what we call coffee cream here, who's 9% of fat. And that's it. And that's what we gotta use. And for cooking it, we gotta use pan. Right? Heat up the pan now. Long time. So bacon on the pan. And yes, that's gonna be food for more than one day. It's excellent for saving and just microwave with like hell the next day, and it's perfectly. So here it's gonna take a while, then it's gonna start sizzling. Here we go, here we got the bacon sizzling away. It's gonna take a while before it's gotta get golden, and it's gotta be a lot smaller. All this flavor gonna be released in this dish. In the meanwhile, of course, boil some water for the spaghetti. Fettuccine. As you can see, the bacon is starting to get golden, right? So just let it sit so we get a little darker here, and then we will add the cream and the mushroom, the ketchup. So few minutes more, then we got to start that process. So now you can see it's nice. Then you add the cream. Oh la la! And I got a little extra cream here. Just top it up a little bit. And here we go. Then I add the ketchup. And believe it or not, I will almost use the whole one of these here. Almost. Oh, it's on! I didn't know that. Then you just, of course, you just stir it a little bit while it will do the thing here. Now to make sure that the water is boiling faster, I actually use, I don't know what you call it, the power kettle. For heating up the water heater, whatever you want to call it. Because we got to use the fettuccine sooner. So let it sit for a while here. Boom. Boom. And this got to have 4 minutes according to the package. But add some more ketchup. I actually ballpark it. I've been making quite a few times, and I always think I can see when the color is right. Then the taste is also right. So just let it simmer away here. I will put a glass of mushrooms in now. Whoopsie-doopsie, of course the water is taken out of it. Maybe 2 glasses, I don't know. I have to see. To give it a little more flavor and structure. Easy as hell making this dish. And I have to give credit to my oldest daughter. She's the one who invented this one. Without the mushroom, without the chili. And the chili I will actually put... And this is also just ballpark, and my wife doesn't know. She thinks it's too much. A spoon like this in it. But she never look at when I cook anyway, so she doesn't know how much chili that's actually in it. So that's it, let it go away a little bit. When the pasta is ready in a few minutes, I will put it up here and give it a swirl, and we are ready to eat and enjoy the food. And the other bottle of mushrooms also. So just let it cook for a few minutes so it get heated up. It's bubbling, the pasta is still al dente. How I do it like this. Let's take it up here because I never know how much pasta I actually can fit in. Because the pan is basically a little too small. So like this. Lazy man's pasta dish. So that's it. Then I will swirl it around. So here we got the dish. Put a little bacon aside to chop it up with. This is a yumminess made in 15 minutes maximum. So as I said, this is the yumminess. Very close up, not so close up, a little further away. This is yummy. Everybody will love it. The kids love it. Just don't add so much chili if it's for kids. Unless, of course, you're for Korea or something where they love a lot of spices. Most simple dish ever. Enjoy. I will. Bye-bye.